If you want to make profitable trades like this without trading by yourself and just by copying me, as you can see here, I just make $200 per trade in each trade, and you can copy you can copy from $2 to $200, any amount that you want. So I'm going to show exactly in this video how you can copy my trades automatically in your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option to make profit like this on a daily basis. As you can see here, in all time, this is an account of one of my VIP copy trader who was able to make $6,866 in profit by copying my trades for 14 days straight. And yesterday he made like $444, and today he have made $376. If you also want to make this kind of profit on a daily basis, then watch this video very carefully. And friends, please do like this video, because if you like this video, then YouTube will make this video reach to more people and it can help more people to make profitable trades automatically in their account. So please do that. So now let me show you exactly how you can start to copy my trades. See, I have a free Telegram channel. You can join that free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Once you join in that free Telegram channel, then you can see there are some instructions on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel. So if you follow that instruction and join my VIP copy trading channel, then you will get a UID. A UID is simply a ID like this 500344849, and few instructions you will get inside my VIP copy trading channel. You just need to follow that and start to copy my trade. But exactly I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's say you have now my UID, for example. So now you just go to log into your pocket option account and just click on this social trading and then click on here. You can copy all of these trades, all of these people's trade, but ultimately you will lose your money if you copy these kind of random trades. Okay, and I'll exactly tell you why you will lose money. So once you log into your pocket option, just click on social trading, click on here and click on search firstly, and the UID that you have got from the VIP copy trading channel, you just paste it at here and a name will appear. Now this is not my ID, I'm just showing you as an example, and you can just click on it. So here you can see the trading status of today. Okay, and if you click on yesterday, you can see the trading status of yesterday. So let's see of the today. So max trade amount is $300, minimum trade amount is max trade amount is $30, minimum trade amount is $30. So this kind of account is perfect to copy trade. Okay, if you find this kind of account, you can copy that account. Okay, and if it is making profit in all time also. So let's see in all time. Yes, it was making profit, but let's see yesterday. Yesterday she was making like maximum amount of trade was $30 and minimum trade was $4. So this account is not worth copying, because if she makes 5 trade win for this $4.50 investment and make 1 trade loss of $30, or profitable trades will always be high, but she will be in loss and you will also be in loss if you copy this kind of account. Okay, so but let's see of today. But in our case, we just make $200 per trade, as you can see here, minimum and maximum. If you see in all time also, if you are only copying me, maximum and minimum trade is only going to be of $200 each time. So you can copy from $2 to $200. That's your choice. Now to copy us, you just need to click on this copy button. So once you do this much, if you just put this 100%, then you will copy 100% of our trade. That is, you are going to copy $200 per trade. Now this one and this one is fine at here. Okay, now if you have fear, like if you lose, if you like you don't want to risk, so let's say you have $1,000 in your account and you just only want to risk $200 to copy my trades, then what I would suggest you to do is withdraw your $800, but don't put the stop balance to $800 here, because what I have noticed is some of my VIP copy traders are facing some problem. Like if they put the stop balance, some of my trades do not get copied in their account. I don't know why, but that is frequently happening. That's why I would suggest you to not put the stop balance, but you can put the only balance that you want to risk to copy my trade. It is as simple as this. Now let's say you want to copy $100 per trade, then just make it 50%. So this is the percentage. Okay, and let's say you just want to copy $2 per trade, make it 1%. Okay, 1% of $200 is $2. So let's say you want to make $4 per trade, make it 2%. 2% of $200 is $400. Once you do this much, then just simply click on confirm and you will start to copy my trade automatically in your pocket option account.